Tired of complicated money transfers and confusing exchange rates? Let's unlock the secrets to simple, secure, and speedy global payments with the Profee Money app in just 90 seconds. First, launch the Profee app right on the home screen. You'll see the prominent Send Money button. Tap it to start a new transfer. This is your gateway to sending funds internationally. Now, select the country you're sending money from and the country you're sending it to. Tap on each country to open a list and choose your desired locations. Ensure these are correct, as they affect the available transfer methods and exchange rates. Next, enter the amount you want to send or the amount you want the recipient to receive. The app will automatically calculate the corresponding amount in the other currency, showing you the exchange rate in real time. Check the exchange rate to ensure it is desirable. Carefully input the recipient's details. This usually includes their full name and their preferred receiving method, such as a bank card or account. Accuracy is key here to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. Choose your payment method. Profee supports various options, including debit cards, credit cards, and other secure payment services. Select the one that suits you best and enter your payment details securely. Review all the transfer details on the confirmation screen. Double-check the recipient's information, the amount, the exchange rate, and any associated fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation. You can also track your transaction history within the app. This allows you to monitor the status of your transfers and keep a record of your financial activity. Finally, enhance your app security by enabling features like two-factor authentication and biometric login in your profile settings. These extra layers of protection ensure your transactions remain safe and secure. Now, you can enjoy seamless global money transfers. Subscribe for more Profee tips.